On today's episode, I'll show you how to create these sparkly earrings and pendants. Extrude 4 tubes of white and blue clay and 8 tubes of green clay. The extra green tubes we'll use for the foil wrap tubes. Lay a sheet of copper foil on your work surface and roll a green tube of clay over it to cover completely. Repeat process with 3 more green tubes. Alternate tubes next to each other. Using a clay roller, blend the tubes to create a 1/8 inch thick slab. Trim slab and place on a solid sheet of coordinating clay. Roll to adhere layers and then trim ends. Cut earring shapes using clay cutters. Don't be alarmed, some of the foil will flake off. Roll leftover clay pieces into a ball. Roll that through your clay machine and then cut the pendant shapes. Bake all at 275 degrees for 30 minutes. Let cool completely. Apply 2-part resin to front of each piece and allow all to cure for 24 hours. Coat back of each piece with Duraclear gloss varnish. Drill holes as required. Attach earring pieces with jump rings and add ear loops. Attach jump rings and chains to pendants. For this and more fun projects and project supplies, visit our website. And don't forget to like us on social media.